today I'm going to show you guys how to color your platinum blonde 613 extensions, synthetic wigs, okay? So if you're interested in seeing, I think you're going to definitely be interested in seeing, because this is really cool. But today I'm going to show you guys how to get temporary hair color using eyeshadow. So this is going to be like hair shadow. We're going to get our roots to look similar to this without any hair color, okay? I'm going to go in with my contour palette. This was like $2. That's what we're going to use. And we're going to start off with this shade. I'm going to put it in a cup and kind of just scrape it out. Then we're gonna be left with like something that looks like cocoa. You can like spread the hair out a bit and just kind of wipe it. And literally guys, no hair dye. This is like $2 makeup. You could do it with any color eyeshadow. So you're just gonna need like platinum blonde hair. But this is temporary, so if you're not looking for anything too permanent, this is what you should do. I'm just literally taking my fingers and dipping it into the shadow and then wiping it and almost kind of dragging it down a bit, but just really focusing it at the roots. And this is like natural hair goals. These are vibes. So I'm gonna do half the head so you guys can see a difference. This is what this side's looking like. A bit more natural, a bit more brown. And I'm gonna go on the ends with some gray, but this is how it's looking. I know y'all can see the difference. If you wanted blue, you could get blue. And essentially you could use whatever colors you want or whatever colors you have. So we comb forward, for additional volume. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Share this with a person who's afraid to color their hair, but they actually want to color their hair, because this is temporary. It's very easy. I would say it's safe. Just don't get it in your eyes or mouth. And yeah, see you guys next time. Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson.